हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू पॉलीजेम चैनल में आप सभी को स्वागत है फ्रेंड्स। आई होप दैट यू ऑल आर फाइन। सो फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन सी हियर अपसाइड आई हैव रिटन रूल्स फॉर फॉर्मिंग द प्लूरल। सो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल हम तैयार करेंगे, तो कुछ रूल्स से। तो आज हम बात करेंगे IES के बारे में। ओके, हाउ टू मेक प्लूरल बाय एडिंग IES। ओके, सो विल रिमूव Y and we'll add IES. Okay, so remember that. Also today we are going to learn with Y we'll put S, then it will become a plural. Okay, so we'll start now. See friends, this side I will write down singular. This side NGELAR, singular, and this side plural. Okay, so friends, I will write down some nouns, singular nouns, and then I will explain. See, look, by adding, so there are some nouns ending in Y. So what you have to do, but before consonant is there, so then you have to add IES. You have to remove the Y and you have to add IES. Then that will become that noun will become a plural noun, singular to plural. Okay, for example, army, ARMY, army. Okay, I will write down more. Army. Body, BODY, body. After that, story, STORY, story. City, CITY, city. Okay, friends, now these are the nouns. How these are the nouns will become a plural? So what you have to do? Simply, very easy. So remember that if the noun is ending in Y, but before consonant is there, M is consonant. Okay, before Y consonant is there, then what you have to do? You have to do simple thing. You have to write down ARMI. Y के जगह पे आप क्या लिखेंगे? I लिखेंगे. Just you have to put I, then add ES, plural. Very simple. Army, armies. So now same thing, body. Y is there, noun ending in Y, but before consonant is there. D is consonant. Okay, consonant. You have to remember that consonant. Consonant. CONSONANT, consonant. You have to remember that consonant. So noun is ending in Y. Before that consonant is there. D is consonant. Okay, so then what you have to do? You have to write down BODI. Y के जगह पे आप क्या लिखेंगे? I लिखेंगे, ES लिखेंगे, bodies. Very simple. Same thing, story. S is there, story, STORY. Y is there. Okay, Y. Okay, yeah, I will write down properly. Okay, Y. So story is there, story. So you have Y is there, before consonant is there. What do you have to write down? STORIES, stories. Very easy. Story, IES. Y के जगह में I लिखेंगे, ES ऐड करेंगे, stories, plural बन जाएगा. Okay, city, CITY, city is there. Simple, very easy. CIT, Y की जगह पे आप I लिखेंगे, उसके बाद ES, cities. So this way you can make plural. Now you are having the question. Now before Y consonant is there. Now अगर before Y vowel is there, हाँ, अगर vowel होगा तो आप क्या करेंगे? प्रश्न आ सकते हैं मन में. So then what you have to do? I will tell you what you have to do. So friends, remember that now Y, before Y consonant is there, that's why Y के जगह में I, then after that ES. Okay, but a vowel is there, vowel is there. So before means Y is there, before that vowel is there. Now example I will write down. For an example, see, boy, BOY, boy. toy. Okay, boy, toy. So key, K-E-Y, key. Okay, boy. Okay, boy, toy, key. Okay, there are many. So boy is there, y is there. Okay, so before y you can see here consonant, sorry, vowel. So vowel is there. What you have to do? You have to write simply B-O-Y-S. You do not remove y, just add s. Very important, just adding s, then this noun will become this singular noun will become a plural. Toy is there. So toy is there before y. What is there? Vowel. O, vowel. Okay, just T-O-Y-S, toys. Key is there, K-E-Y-S, keys. Okay, so like that there are many nouns, but for example I have written these. Okay, so I hope that these are the things will help you to improve your basic English, basic grammar. Okay, so you are improving your spoken English. So I hope that you all are doing well. So these are the things will help you. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.